Hi kids, we are starting a new chapter today, chapter number 5, Division of Numbers from the book Maths 2. Grouping. Birds in groups. How many birds are flying in the sky? There are 12 birds in the sky. So in total we have 12 birds. Okay. How many birds are there in each group? Each group में कितनी birds हैं? They are in 2 groups. Okay. There are 6 birds in each group. 6 birds हैं each group में. 2 groups हैं. Okay. Now division as equal sharing. When something is grouped or divided equally, it is called as equal sharing. जब किसी भी चीज को ग्रुप करते हैं या डिवाइड करते हैं इक्वली, उसको इक्वल शेयरिंग कहते हैं. लेट अस शेयर आइसक्रीम्स. 3 चिल्ड्रन बाय 6 आइसक्रीम्स. 3 बच्चों ने 6 आइसक्रीम्स परचेज की. ओके. दे वांट टू शेयर देम इक्वली. वो आपस में इक्वली उसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना चाहते हैं. ओके. ईच चाइल्ड गेट्स 2 आइसक्रीम. ईच चाइल्ड, हर एक बच्चे को 2 आइसक्रीम मिलेगी. राइट. वी से 6 डिवाइडेड बाय 3 इज इक्वल टू 2. तो इस चीज को हम क्या कहते हैं? 6 डिवाइडेड बाय 3 विच इज इक्वल टू 2. वी राइट 6 डिवाइड 3 इक्वल्स टू 3. दिस इज द सिंबल ऑफ डिविजन. ओके. देन लेट अस शेयर मैंगोज. Here are 10 mangoes. We divide them in 2 groups. हम 2 groups में divide करना चाहते हैं. Each group has 5 mangoes. तो each group में कितने mangoes होंगे? 5. Okay. We say 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. हम ये कहते हैं. Okay. And what do we write? We write 10 divided by 2 equals to 5. Okay. Now division on number line. We can use a number strip for repeated subtraction or division. हम number strip या number line बोल सकते हैं. उसका use करके repeated subtraction और division कर सकते हैं. Divide 12 by 2. Divide 12 in groups of 2 on number line. We count backward for division on the number line. Let us divide 12 divided by 2 on a number line. So, हम backwards count करते हैं, यानी कि हमें 12 से begin करना है और each part को 2 halves में divide कर देना है. Okay? 2 का gap रखना है, और you can say. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. जब तक 0 तक ना पहुंच जाए हमें काउंट करते रहना है. तो यहाँ पर हमारे 6 ग्रुप्स बने. राइट. देयर आर 6 जम्प्स ऑफ 2. 6 जम्प्स हुई. राइट. वी से 12 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 इज इक्वल टू 6. वी राइट 12 डिवाइडेड 2 इक्वल्स टू 6. दिस इज हाउ वी डिवाइड ऑन नंबर लाइन. ओके. Exercise 5A. A. Count and fill in the blanks. First, cats in groups. There are dash cats. Answer is given 9 cats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right. They are in dash groups. How many groups? 1, 2, 3. 3 groups. Right. There are dash cats in each group. Each group में 3 cats are 1, 2, 3, right? I'll write it here. Got it? Then second part, balloons in groups. There are dash balloons. How many balloons will count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then in total there are 20 balloons. Okay? Now they are in dash groups. How many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups. Okay. There are dash balloons in each group. Each group में 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balloons है. I'll write it here. 5. B. यूज नंबर लाइन्स गिवन बिलो एंड फिल इन द बॉक्सेस. अब नंबर लाइन का यूज करना है और बॉक्सेस को फिल करना है. सो देयर इज, इट स्टार्ट्स विद 9 and we have 1, 2, 3 gaps each, right? So this one is 1, then there is 2, and when we are on 0, then there is third, right? So the answer is, we can write it 9 divided by 3 equals to 3. Okay, there are 3 jumps of 3. Okay, then we say 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. We write 9 divide 3 equals to 3. Okay. Then B part. Similarly, again there is a number line, right? And we are starting with 10 now, and we have gap of 2 numbers, right? So this is 1 backward jump, then second, third, fourth, fifth, up till 0, right? There are 5 jumps of 2, okay? We say 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5, okay? We write 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5, okay? Properties of division. Any number divided by 1 gives the same number. For example, 25 divided by 1 equals to 25. 97 divided by 1 equals to 97. 927 divided by 1 equals to 927. 999 divided by 1 equals to 999. तो यहाँ पर ये क्या बताना चाह रहे हैं, अगर हम किसी भी नंबर को 1 से डिवाइड करते हैं, we'll always get the number itself. Okay? And they have given some examples as well. Okay? Then a number divided by itself is equal to 1. For example, 19 divided 19 equals to 1. 155 divided by 155 equals to 1. 875 divided by 875 equals to 1. 999 divided by 999 equals to 1. So, अगर हम किसी भी नंबर को उसी नंबर से, सेम नंबर से डिविजन करते हैं, we'll get 1. Okay, and I have read some examples also. Okay, then 0 divided by any number is 0. For example, 0 divided by 83 equals to 0. 0 divided by 256 equals to 0. 0 divided by 199 equals to 0. 0 divided by 853 equals to 0. अगर हम 0 को किसी भी नंबर से डिवाइड करते हैं, we always get a 0. Okay? Know it. Division by 0 is not possible. That is, 25 divided by 0 is not defined. अगर हम 25 को 0 से डिवाइड करते हैं, that is not possible. The answer is not defined. ND. Okay? Exercise 5B. A. Fill in the boxes. One has been done for you. A. 2 equal groups. So there are 2 equal groups, right? Total there is 10, right? 10 divided by 2 equals to 5. Got it? Then B. 4 equal groups, and there are 4 equal groups. Each group has 1, 2, 3, right? Total is 12. Okay, so I'll write here 12 first, then 4 equal groups. So I'll write here divided by 4. We'll get 3. Okay. Then C part, 3 equal groups. We have 3 equal groups, and total is 6, right? So I'll write here 6 divided by 3, which is equal to 2. Okay. Then D, 6 equal groups. So these are the 6 equal groups, right? And the total of these groups is, each group has 4, right? So 4 multiplied by 6 will get 24, right? So 24 divided by 6, which is equal to 4, right? First we need to write the total, then the number of group, and then the number of things in each group. Okay. Then E part, 5 equal groups. 5 equal groups, each has 3. 3 multiplied by 5, 15. So 15 divided by 5, which is equal to 3. Then B, fill in the blanks. A, 10 chocolates are divided into 5 equal groups. Each group has 2 chocolates. तो जो 10 चॉकलेट्स थी वो 5 इक्वल ग्रुप्स में हमने डिवाइड कर दी. ओके. अब जो हर ग्रुप है उनके पास 2 चॉकलेट्स ईच है. ओके. सो वी से 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. Okay. We write, first we write 10, then we write 5. This is called divided by. And the answer is 2. Okay. Similarly, B part. 12 balls are divided in equal groups. Each group has 3 balls. There are 4 groups. 12 balls थी, equal groups में हमने divide कर दी. Each group में 3 balls आई और यहाँ पर 4 groups है total. Okay. We say 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. And we write, first we write 12. Then we write divide. Division is already there, right? Then 4. And which is equal to 3. Then C part. We say 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. We write 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Okay. You can do the D part by yourself. Okay. Then C part. Divide the following. A, share 30 apples among 5 children. So these are the 30 apples. Okay. And each group will get how many apples? We have to write here. Each child will get dash apples. So 5 children में हमने divide कर दिया, right? Now they have given picture as well. Okay. So we'll count and we'll get the answer. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means each children get 6 apples. Okay. So it means 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. Okay. Here also I'll write 6. Then B part, distribute 12 ice creams among 6 students. 12 ice creams है 6 student में distribute करनी है. Means divide करना है यहाँ पर, right? तो यहाँ पर हमें 12 ice creams given है, right? हमने 6 students में divide कर दी. Means 12 divided by 6, right? So each student will get 2 ice creams. So I'll write here 2. We need to just observe the picture and we'll get the answer. Okay. And then the answer here is also each student will get dash ice creams, 2 ice creams. Okay. Then C part, a teacher distributed 28 pencils equally among 7 children. These are the 28 pencils. 7 children के बीच में equally distribute कर दी. Okay. So this is the picture shows distribution. Okay. So 28 divided by 4. We will count and get the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. So one child will get 4 pencils. So 28 divided by 7 equals to 4. Okay. Each child will get dash pencils. The answer is 4. D, divide on the number line. A, this is the number line. And 12 divided by 4. It means we need to start with 12, right? So here is 12 and we have to take the gap of 4, right? So 12, now 1, 2, 3, 4. So up till this much, then again 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then again 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many jumps are there? 1, 2, 3. The answer is 3. Okay. Then B part. Now 9 divided by 3 equals 2. It means we have to start with 9, right? 9 is here and we have to take gap of 3. Okay, 3 numbers. So 9 is here. 1, 2, 3. We'll move to 6. Then another 3. 1, 2, 3. Then another 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So we have 1, 2, 3. 3 jumps are there. It means 9 divided by 3 equals to 3. Got it? Then we have C part. 15 divided by 5. It means we need to start with 15, right? 15 is here and we have to take 5 numbers gap, right? So 15 is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to reach till 10. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 5. Then again 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have taken 1, 2, 3. 3 jumps. It means 15 divided by 5 equals to 3. Then division without remainder. Division of a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. Okay, अब हम properly division करना सीखेंगे. Okay? Let us read about some terms used in division. सबसे पहले हम कुछ terms के बारे में पढ़ेंगे जो division में हम use करते हैं. The number that is to be divided is called dividend. जिस नंबर को हम डिवाइड करते हैं उसको हम डिविडेंड कहते हैं. The number that divides the dividend is called the divisor. जो नंबर डिविडेंड को डिवाइड करता है उसको डिवाइजर कहते हैं. The result is called the quotient. If any leftover is called the remainder. तो जो रिजल्ट आता है, ओके, उसको हम क्वोशिएंट कहते हैं और कुछ लेफ्टओवर बच जाता है उसको हम रिमाइंडर कहते हैं. So when we divide, we use this symbol. Okay. Now we are dividing 16 divided by 8. Okay. So 8 is the divisor here. Okay. 16 is the dividend here. And 2 is the quotient and 0 is the remainder. Okay. This is part 2 of chapter number 5, Maths book 2. Example 1. Divide 12 by 2. Solution. Step 1. Write 12 divide 2 as given. सबसे पहले हमें कुछ इस तरीके से लिखना है. 2 and 12. 12 अंदर आएगा, जो डिविडेंड होता है वो अंदर आता है, जो डिवाइजर होता है वो बाहर आता है. ओके. Step 2. Recall the multiplication table of 2. फिर हमें 2 का जो टेबल था उसको recall करना है. ओके. So they have given the table of 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. Step 3. Stop when you reach 12. तो जब हम 12 पर रीच कर जाएंगे तो अब हमें स्टॉप कर जाना है, रुक जाना है. ओके. So that's why we have written 12 and we are doing subtraction here. So we all know how to do subtraction. हम same number में से same number subtract कर रहे हैं, we'll get 0. That's why 0. Okay. Step 4. Write 12 below 12 and subtract. Then find quotient 6. फिर हमें जो यहाँ quotient होता है वहां पर 6 लिखना है, क्योंकि 2 के टेबल में 12 कितने पर आया? 6 पर. That's why the quotient is 6. Okay. Then another example. Example 2. Divide 14 by 7. Solution. This is how we need to write 14, 7. Okay. We read the multiplication table of 7 and get 7 multiply 2 equals to 14. फिर हम 7 का टेबल रीड करेंगे जब तक 14 तक रीच ना कर जाए. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. 2 पर आता है, यहाँ 14 लिखेंगे, सब्ट्रैक्शन कर दिया हमने, 2 क्वोशिएंट आ गया. ओके. Thus 14 divided by 7 equals to 2. And 7 multiply 2. This is the multiplication table part. Okay. कि हमने मल्टीप्लाई किया था वही चीज रिपीट में लिखी है यहाँ पर, एंड द आंसर विल बी 2 हियर. दिस इज हाउ वी नीड टू डू डिविजन. ओके, देन एक्सरसाइज 5C. A, do the following divisions. A part 7 and 35 means 35 divided by 7. Okay, so here we need to read the table of 7 up till we reach 35. So let's read with me. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35. So we'll write it here 35 and subtract. We'll get 0. Now 7 के टेबल में 35 आया 5 पर. So 5 is the quotient. Okay. We'll do B part. Now 36 divided by 9. Okay. Now we have to read the table of 9. Okay. Up till we'll reach 36. Okay. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 80, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36. So 9 के टेबल में 4 पर आता है 36. So we'll write quotient here and subtract 36 from here. We'll get 0. Okay. So this is how you need to do division. You can do the remaining parts of this question by yourself. Okay. Then B part, fill in the boxes. A part, 35 divide 7 equals to dash. Now here we need to count up till 35, the table of 7. Okay. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35. Right. So the answer here is 5. 7 के टेबल में 35 5 पर आता है. Okay. Then B, 54 divided by 9 is equal to dash. Now we have to read the table of 9 until we reach 54, right? So 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 six are 54, right? So the answer here is 6. You can do the remaining parts by yourself, okay? Division with remainder. So we are dividing 22 divided by 4. अब 4 के टेबल में 22. हमें देखना है कि या तो 22 मिले 4 के टेबल में, या फिर हमें 22 से कोई छोटा नंबर 4 के टेबल में, उसके नियरेस्ट वन. ओके, सो विल काउंट द टेबल ऑफ 4 फर्स्ट. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24. तो 24 तो ग्रेटर हो गया 22 से, हम वो ले नहीं सकते. हम क्या लेंगे? 20. तो 4 के टेबल में 20 यहाँ पर लिख दिया हमने. सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं हम. सब्ट्रैक्ट किया, यहाँ पर 2 बचा. एंड जो क्वेश्चन आया दैट इज 5, क्योंकि 4 के टेबल में 20 कब आता है? 5 पर आता है. ओके, 22 नहीं आता था, इसलिए हमारा रिमाइंडर बचा. ओके, नाउ 5 is called quotient here, 2 is called remainder, 22 is called dividend, 4 is called divisor. Okay, this is the format we have to follow. Divisor here, dividend here, quotient here and remainder here. Okay, then exercise 5D. A, divide and find the quotient and remainder. One has been done for you. तो हमें डिवाइड करना है और क्वोशिएंट और रिमाइंडर फाइंड आउट करना है. वन इज ऑलरेडी डन फॉर अस. ए पार्ट 73 डिवाइडेड बाय 9. तो 9 के टेबल में 73 नहीं आता है. ओके, तो उससे छोटा कौन सा नंबर आता था? 72, विच इज ऑन 8. तो हमने सब्ट्रैक्ट किया, विल गेट 1. सो क्वोशिएंट क्या हो गया? 8 और रिमाइंडर क्या हो गया? 1. दिस इज हाउ वी नीड टू डू द रिमेनिंग पार्ट्स. ओके, now B part. 65 divided by 7. So we'll count the table of 7. Okay, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 six are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63, 7 tens are 70. Right? तो 70 तो यहाँ ले नहीं सकते, हम ले सकते हैं 63। 63 कितने पर आता है? 9 पर। तो क्वेश्चन यहाँ पर 9 हो गया। 63 हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, फिर 5 में से 3 गए 2, 6 में से 6 गए 0, राइट। सो क्वेश्चन क्या हो गया? 9 एंड रिमाइंडर क्या हो गया? दिस वन इज द रिमाइंडर 2. Got it? You can write 0, 2 or 2, that is the same thing. Okay? Then C part. 53 divided by 6. Okay? Now we have to count the table of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, and 6 nines are 54, 6 tens are 60. तो 54 तो हम यहाँ से ले नहीं सकते क्योंकि 54 उससे बड़ा हो जाएगा नंबर से, 53 से, राइट। तो हम 48 ले सकते हैं। 48 कितने पर आता है? 8 पर, राइट। तो 8 is the question and 48 will written here and we'll do subtraction. Okay. Now 3 में से 8 we can't subtract. Subtraction we need to do normally, जैसे हम करते हैं, हमने जैसे सीखा है। Okay. Now we'll take borrowing. कट किया, यहाँ 4 आ गया, 13 में से 8 गए 5 and then 4 में से 4 गए 0, right? So quotient will be 8 and remainder will be 5. Okay? So you can do the remaining parts by yourself. Okay? These ones also you can do by yourself. Okay? Objective skill, multiple choice questions, MCQs. Take the correct answer. A, 25 divided by 1 equals to dash. We have options. First 25, second 1, third 0. Answer is 25. B, 0 divided by 83 equals to dash. We have options. First 83, second 0, third 1. Answer is 0. C, dash divided by 5 equals to 2. We have options. First 15, second 25, third 10. So here we need to multiply and we'll get the answer. So 2 5s are 10. Okay. So third one is correct. Then D, 14 divided by dash equals to 7. We have options. First 7, second 2, third 14. So here we need to divide and we'll get the answer. Okay. So the answer will be 2. Then experiential learning, mental math. Second, fill in the blanks. A, 30 divided by dash equals to 3. The answer is 10. B part, dash divided by 7 equals to 10. Answer is 70. Then C, 45 divided by dash equals to 15. Answer is 3. So if the blank is here, so we need to divide this number, then we'll get the answer. And if the blank is here, we need to multiply these numbers, then we'll get the answer. Okay, so you need to remember this thing while filling these boxes. Then D part, 36 divided by 4 equals to dash. Answer is 9. E part, 45 divided by dash equals to 45. Answer is 1. F, 123 divided by 123. Answer is 1. Then G, dash divided by 345 equals to 0. Answer is 0. H, 631 divided by 631 equals to dash. Answer is 1. B, match the following. Okay. A, 40 divided by 8. The answer is 5. We'll match with third one. B, 24 divided by 6. The answer is 4. So fourth one. Then C, 40 divided by 5. Answer is 8. Second one. Third, 9 divided by 1 equals to 9. We have to match with first one. R, at integrated learning activity zone, color the star with number coding. तो यहाँ पर हमें नंबर कोड किए गए हैं, जो भी आंसर आएगा उसके अकॉर्डिंग हमें ये स्टार्स को कलर करना है. ओके, फॉर 1 we have to fill orange color, for 5 we have to fill purple color, for 4 we have to fill yellow color, for 9 we have to fill green color, for 8 we have to fill blue color, for 6 we have to fill pink color, for 7 we have to fill purple color. Okay, now we'll solve them and you can fill the color by yourself. Okay, so 8 divided by 8 equals to 1. 64 divided by 8 equals to 8. 36 divided by 6 equals to 6. 72 divided by 8 equals to 9. Then 45 divided by 9 equals to 5. 40 divided by 10 equals to 4. 18 divided by 2 equals to 9. 56 divided by 8 equals to 7. So you can fill the color yourself. Okay. So I hope kids you enjoy learning with me. We'll meet in the next class. Bye bye.